The question says we solve for p in this exponential equation. So we have cube root of 4 raised power 2p equals 32. So what's the value of p when we solve this equation? Solution. So we have the cube root of 4. Okay. So we have this in the brackets. Raised power 2p equals 32. Okay. For this, we can write this as 4 raised power 1 over 3, which is same thing as this. Everything raised power 2p equals 32. Okay. So when we apply the exponent law, you can easily multiply this with this. So we have 4 raised power 1 over 3 times 2p equals, you can have this as 2 raised power 5. Okay, which is as 32. Here we have this as 2 raised power 2, okay, which is 4 times, so when we multiply this with this, we have this as 2p over 3, okay, equals 2 raised power 5, okay. So here we have this as 2 raised power, for 2 times 2p is 4p over 3 equals 2 raised power 5. So we have the same base. So here we can have this as 4p over 3 equals 5 over 1. Okay, so here we say for p, we have this to be 4p times 1 is 4p equals 3 times 5. We have this to be 15. Okay, so we have this to be 15. P equals 15 over 4. Okay, so we can check the value of p in this equation. So let us work with the left hand side of the equation to determine 32. Okay, so let's check. So from here, we have this to be the same thing as this. So let's pick it from here. So we have this to be 4 raised power 1 over 3. Okay, everything is power 2p. Okay, so this one we can write this as 4 raised power 1 over 3. Okay, everything is power 2 times, so the value of p is 15 over 4. Okay, so we can simplify. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. Okay, this exponent. So here we have here 4 raised power 1 over 3. Okay, everything is power. Here we have 15. We have here 2. Okay, so when we apply the exponent rule, we multiply this with this. So from here we have this to be 4 raised power 1 over 3 times 15 over 2. Okay, so we can simplify the exponent further. So we have here to be 3 to be here to be 1, 3 15 to be 5. So by the time we multiply out, we have this to be 4. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, over 2. So for 4 raised power 5 over 2. Okay, when we pick it from here, this one is, you can write this one as square root of 4. Okay, everything is to power 5. Okay, so for the square root of 4, we have to be 2 raised to power 5. Okay, we have to be 2 raised to power 5, and for 2 raised to power 5, we have to be 32. So that means the value of p is 15 over 4. The question says solve for t in this equation. So we have square root of 7 raised to power b. Okay, everything is power 3t equals 343. What's the value of t in this equation? Okay, solution. So we have square root of 7 raised to power b. Everything raised to power 3t equals 343. Okay. So for root 7 raised to power b, we can write this as 7 raised to power b times 1 over 2, which stands for the root. Everything raised to power 3t. Okay. Here we have this to be 343. Okay. So here we have this as 7 raised to power b over 2. Everything raised to power 3t equals 7 raised to power 3, which is same thing as 343, And when we apply the exponent rule, we have this to be 7 x power b over 2 times 3t, okay, equals 7 x power 3. Here we have this to be 7. When we multiply this with this, we have 3bt over 2 equals 7 x power 3. So at this point, we have the same base, so we can bring the exponents, okay. So we have this to be 3bt over 2 equals 7 raised to the power 3, okay, sorry, equals 3. So from here, we have this to be over 1. So when we cross multiply, we have 3bt equals 2 times 3 is 6, okay. So we can decide to make b or t instead of the formula, but we are solving for t. So we divide both sides by 3b, okay. So for t, we have this to be 2 over b, okay. But if we want to make t the subject of the formula as well, I mean b the subject of the formula, okay, in this case we say for b to be the subject of the formula, we say b equals 6 over 3t. It means we are dividing both sides of the equation with 3t, okay. So when we divide both sides of the equation with 3t, we'll be having just b, okay. So 6 over 3t, which is saves as saying 2 over t, okay. In this case of making b the solid of the formula, but to make t the solid of the formula, we have the answer to be 2 over b. Thank you very much.